up guys, welcome back to another video. So on today's video is just a maintenance video. Just kind of want to show you guys the process of doing a differential and transmission fluid change. Yeah, so basically I'm going to show you guys how to do it and what parts you need and stuff to get this done. It's a pretty messy job because of the oil you're spilling everywhere and all that, but overall it's a simple, easy, just as simple as doing an oil change. So yeah, so right now I have the car on quick jacks, pretty high up there on the highest setting, and yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and get this started. So first I'm gonna get down there and empty out all the fluids and then put some new fluid in there. It's been needing it. You're supposed to be doing this every 30,000 miles. So yeah, I'm pretty much right there where I need to change it. So let me just show you guys what everything you might need. So hold on. Alright guys, well I got laid down pretty much all the tools that I'll be using besides the quick jacks. So I got a torque wrench, a breaker bar, a ratchet, an extension, another breaker bar. I got a 24 millimeter deep socket for the rear differential, and then I think the Allen, I'm not too sure, I'll double check, but it's a 10. Pretty sure it's a 10 millimeter one. And then you need a T70 Torx socket. So yeah, and then some kind of fluid transfer just to get fluid from this bottle into the transmission. And yeah, and here are the crush washers you need. There's a part number right there. You need 2 of these for the back, one for the fill and one for the drain, and then you need 3 in the front. So you need one big one, which is this part number right here. This one's gonna be for the fill, and then this one's gonna be for the drain. So I'll still have the part numbers down there. So yeah, so basically, yeah, you just gotta remove the bolts, the drain bolts. First start with the fill bolts just to make sure you can fill it up before you do the drain, because once you drain it and your fill bolt is stuck, you're gonna have a hard time. So yeah, make sure you can fill it up first, and then get you some gear oil. I'm using 7590 multiple. Probably need like 6. I ordered 6 of them, so I don't know how many you need. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. This is everything you're gonna need, plus some type of oil catch pan, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you can, raise the car as high as you can, because it makes the job a little easier. If you have quick jacks, it's definitely gonna make it easier. If you have a lift, definitely gonna make it way more easier. But yeah, this is pretty much it. So let's just go ahead and get into the car and get started on this. Alright guys, well, we're under the car now. So let me start by opening up the fuel plug. Okay, now that I got that one loose, we can take it off. Okay. Alright. And just break it loose. There you go. And just let that drain. And I'm gonna go get my new crush washers. And now they have everything drained. I'm just gonna torque everything down. The big one, you're gonna want to torque to 51.6 pounds. Then you want to torque the other 2 to 36 pounds. So, all right. Guys, when I said this is the messiest part, it's exactly what I mean. Messiest part.
3 days later.
See how it's leaking now? Okay. Now I gotta get my crush wash in for this last one. And we're done with the front. The front was not that bad. It's like an oil change. It's not as bad as it looks. There we go. Alright guys, well there it is. Got the transmission and the differential fluid change. Pretty simple, pretty easy. As long as you have a lift or something, it makes it a lot quicker. Quick jacks helps, but I think a lift will help a lot more because it's way up there and you have to like get on your back to do it. But yeah, overall that's pretty easy maintenance, and the car definitely needed it. It's around 30,000 miles on the oil, transmission fluid, so car definitely needs a wash. And that's probably what I'm gonna do now. Just wash the car and then just take it out for a spin or something. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it. Just a simple maintenance on the car, and yeah. Alright guys, well I'll talk to you guys on the next one, and I hope you enjoy this video. Peace out.